Hi everyone, Aquaru here, Miss Hooper here, and today I've got something very exciting because today we are going to be making our own bird food so you can go feed all the birds in our garden. So all we're going to need for this, we're going to need some lard, which is this white sticky thing here, and we're going to need some bird seed. So we're going to pour our bird seed into our bowl. That, and then we're going to get our lard and roll it in a really big ball like this. So you've got to rub your hands together really quickly like this. Okay, and you get some more, create a ball. Now it's really sticky and slimy, this lard, and that's okay. You can get your hands really messy. Okay, and then we're going to go plop it in to our bird seed. Ready? Plop. And we're going to sprinkle all the bird seed onto our ball, our lard balls. Like so. You might get seed hands as well. So there we go. Miss Hooper has made her own bird food, and we can put these in our garden and we can watch the birds come and eat them. Now I have created a little bird sheet for us so you can find and tick all the different types of birds that you're going to see. You might see some blue birds, you might see some birds that are black, you might see some black birds, you may even see some red birds. So I want to see what different types of birds you're going to see into your garden. Bye everyone!